You can assign a value to a variable, just like you do in any other language. You can also assign multiple values in the same statement. Now both A and B have the letters of A and B. What happens when you have extra values but not enough variables? It simply discards the extra value and there is no error even if you run it. So A and B is assigned to each letter, but C is just ignored. You can also handle the opposite of that too. If you have too many variables and not enough assignment, the extra variable will have the value of nil, as if nothing happened, because all the variables would have nil before the first assignment. Useful thing you can do with this multi-assignment is swapping of two variables. If you have A and B and you want to swap the values around, you can simply do this instead of making one extra temporary variable to hold one of its variable. Now A has B and B has A.